Let's install EmberGen 2025 for free in just 30 seconds. First, make sure you finish downloading the zip file from either my Patreon, Ko-Fi, or Gumroad account. Links are provided in the description below. And don't worry, guys, it's very cheap. It's less than $4 one-time payment. So go ahead and extract the files. Then once it's done, open up the JanksFX folder and then open the README file. I've provided some instruction in it, but since the setup is very easy to run, just run the setup_patch.x file and follow the installation instruction process. Once it's done, just open the program and enjoy. As you can see in the License Manager section, the status is activated and works perfectly. But don't not update it till when I provide a new update, though. No worries, because this is the updated version and you can use it as long as you want. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing and comment down below any software you would wish me to provide. Next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install SideFX Houdini full version for free and Maya. Well, till then, hope to see you in another video.